Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change wiper blades on a Land Rover Discovery Sport. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth or towel to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism. Once released, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be sure to hold the wiper arm securely. After removal, gently lower the bare wiper arm onto the protective cloth on your windshield to prevent damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check its stability before proceeding. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your vehicle. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe the new blades to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly without streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.